request all the fellow directors to please join me on the stage. Mahesh Babu Garu, General Secretary Garu, Treasurer, Amir, Madhavi Garu, and the Cultural Committee also. Please be on the stage. I am here for two things today. To welcome you all as we kicked off the Navaratri celebrations since yesterday. I won't take much time. I know there are some beautiful performances going. Even I was mesmerized by the last few performances. So I also want to sit there rather than being here. But I have a few things to thank and communicate to you all. And more than anything, our community have few guests that we have to receive today. So I won't take much time, I promise. Going. And it is all thanks to Lord Ganesha and to all of you here. Huge round of applause. I really want to take a moment and thank the in-house trainers. Suchi Smita ji, Swarnastri ji, Board of Directors. We are here to ensure to create the enough support system that you see the superstructure that is here is going to help us to run the shows. Even then there is going to be heavy rainfall and the stage is all yours. So please ensure that you participate and come and witness these programs daily. Thank you so much. And once again, from all board of directors, happy Vinayak Chauthi to you all. And with this, I welcome. Today we have some special guests in this gathering. So in like around 5 years back, that time also, coincidentally, I was the president of the association. So there was once called Grand Ganesha Awards. I think when I read it, the motive of that award is to ensure that the kind of vibrancy that is there in communities have to be spread so that the more and more communities join and it becomes more vibrant atmosphere. And as such, whatever has been thought, and I was personally, built a rapport and friendship with Saurabh ji, who is also happens to be the president of this Grand Ganesha Awards and Lions Club Yuva. And he has done exactly today. There are about 64 communities participating. And I think kudos to you all, your hard work and deputy across the city, very vibrant. And thank you so much for spending so much time. And I've been part of that WhatsApp group. I think, you have lit the entire Hyderabad. Where we are trying to do one community, you have lit the entire Hyderabad. So we are privileged and humbled to welcome the Grand Ganesha Award jury onto the stage, Saurabh ji and the whole, and a guiding community for over about 100 gated communities. There are people who have traveled from My Home Jewel, shifted from My Home Jewel in other communities and are already talking about how My Home Jewel celebrations being an example in, the entire city. And that is one of the greatest examples. And this community take pride. Thank you so much again, Saurabh ji and team Grand Ganesha Awards to be our guest today evening. So please please address all the My Home Jewel residents and talk about the Grand Ganesha Awards.
Ganesh Maharaj ki. Thank you so much, My Home Jewel, Prashant ji and the entire team for welcoming us. And for us, for all of us, it is my home. So it is always like coming back home. As Prashant ji mentioned, that the first year when we started Grand Ganesha Award, that was in 2019. Incidentally, the same team was here and Prashant ji was the president. And we have traveled together a long way. Those who are not aware about Grand Ganesha Award, let me tell you, in the very first year, there were 20 communities who had participated in 2019 and My Home Jewel was the first runner-up. The next season, there were 35 or 38 communities which had participated and My Home Jewel was the winner. And this year, 63 communities have participated and any guesses who will win this year? So 63 communities have participated and we have shortlisted them after a lot of due diligence by our honorable jury. We have shortlisted that to only 28 communities and definitely My Home Jewel is the finalist. In your management office also, there are few certificates that My Home Jewel has got before. And I am pretty sure that there will be several more certificates this year. So we are excited. Are you excited? Cannot hear. This is not the energy of My Home Jewel. Are you excited? Are you excited? So without taking much time, you have 9 days of festival till 15th. You have the festival and we have just started. So my request is that please involve much more on social media, post on social media, tag Grand Ganesha, and I am sure the committee will help you with all the handles and the communications, because social media footprint is extremely important this year for the Grand Ganesha Awards, right? And आए हैं तो खाली हाथ हम नहीं जाएंगे, कुछ देकर ही जाएंगे. So can we have a quick contest, a small contest, and the winner will get a small gesture from Grand Ganesha team, a silver coin right now. So are you ready? No energy. Are you ready? Okay, so Chanchal would invite.
Hey everyone, English okay kada? Telugulone maatladamantara? Combine, okay. So chala simple. The thing that I would like to ask, how many of you use Instagram? Raise your hand quickly. For the people who are not raising their hands, you have got secret Instagram handles, no? I know. Okay, so I want to see the people who use Instagram and are super active on Instagram to kindly join us at the front of the stage. Okay. Even if you could stand at your place, that would be great. I mean, if you cannot walk in, that's okay. Fantastic. We have the first participant. I need at least 15 to... fantastic. I need at least 15 to 20 people joining us over here for this contest. Quickly. No. There's no question. You have to stand wherever you're standing. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, ma'am, if you could just walk in front, at least in the front lane. Yeah. Right? Quickly. Why only women on Instagram? Men on Instagram are doing what? Very good. Yes, sir. Sir, please join us over here. The girls at the back. Okay. Few more. Can we have few more joining us for this contest? Because we are giving up a silver coin and meelu bangaram kanu aithe kashtam kani vendi kanu ani matram cheppagalam. So, can we have few more joining us over here? Quickly. Okay, fantastic. మీకోసం యాక్చువల్గా ఒక మాట చెప్తాను లాస్ట్లో. మీకోసం బాగా ఆలోచించి పెట్టాను నేను. ఎస్, ఓకే, డన్. సో వీ హ్యావ్ గుడ్ ఎనఫ్ పార్టిసిపెంట్స్. వీ హ్యావ్ ఆన్ ద రైట్ సైడ్, వీ హ్యావ్ ఆన్ ద సెంటర్, వీ హ్యావ్ ఆన్ ద లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్. ఎస్, సో వాట్ దే హ్యావ్ టు డూ, Saurabh bhaiya, you have to say.
So quickly we'll do this activity. You can turn around, take a selfie along with the stage. You can turn around, take a selfie along with us, post it on Instagram, and I will say what to mention, right? So take a selfie. You can write the caption, "My Home Jewel." The tag I will tell at the last, so that the first tag that appears will get the silver coin. Post. Not on story, a post. Shall I say? Yeah. So you will write "My Home Jewel," and after that you will write @Grand Ganesha Awards. Grand Ganesha Awards. That is the page that you will get. And the first one that appears here will get the silver coin. And we have the witness, Mr. President himself. Come, Kanti Kalyan. Those who did not win the silver coin today, let me tell you, maybe by tomorrow, you will get a message in the groups. We'll share it with Prashantji, where there will be one more contest and there's still a chance of winning the silver coin. Top 5 reels during the Ganesha festival will get the silver coin for sure. So I would request Rupa and Prashantji to please hand over the silver coin to Kanti.
సో ఇందాక నుంచి మీకు లైన్ వస్తుంది అన్నారు కదా, ఇక్కడ తెలుగు వాళ్ళు ఎంతమంది ఉండే ఒక్కసారి చేతులు ఎత్తండి. ఫెంటాస్టిక్. ఎంతమంది ఉప్మా తింటారు పొద్దునే? వెరీ గుడ్. అది సో క్రాంతి గారి కోసం ఈ డైలాగ్ అనమాట. బీయింగ్ అన్ యాంకర్ మై సెల్ఫ్ ఈ డైలాగ్ చెప్పాల్సిందే అని ఫిక్స్ అయిపోయాను. ది థింగ్ ఇస్, ఇర్షాద్ అనండి, మరి ఇర్షాద్ అనాలి. వావ్ నేర్చుకున్నారు, ఇర్షాద్ నేర్చుకోలేదా? అది ఓకే, ఇర్షాద్ అనండి ఒకసారి అందరూ.